Hello, this is Ryan with Bolster, and in this short video I'll show you how to change your percent profit in your company settings. So all your new proposals moving forward will have the proper percent profit. From our dashboard here, we want to click on Admin in the bottom left-hand corner, open that up and scroll down to Company Settings. Click on Company Settings, and we can scroll down through any other pertinent information we may or may not want to change. Here we want to scroll down to our default profit. Now this is our default profit here. That is where we can change this to all of our percent profit that will be integrated into all of proposals moving forward. And by doing that, we want to click in the box. We can delete this number and change it to a new number. This is our minimum profit. So in case you ever go below this minimum profit percentage, you will just get a short warning on your sent page when you send a proposal. I hope that helps. Thank you very much.